guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have again the beautiful Karelia Lopez with me. She is gonna help me review a very special collaboration. I got my hands on the Desi x Katy Dose of Colors collaboration. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I didn't get the entire collection. I have a few items here to test out because they actually launched it the day of my husband's birthday, so I felt kind of guilty buying everything at once in large bulk, so I had to refrain from spending too much money, but I got some of the key ingredients that I just really want to test out. So I haven't even let her rip into this yet.
I've been dying to open this.
It arrived yesterday and I was like, you're not allowed to look in it, you're not allowed to open it. Oh.
Let me see. Oh, so cute.
That is so pretty. And then it's the Desi and Katy there. Friendcation. Oh, wow.
Give me that.
Oh my gosh, they come with stickers.
Oh, I want that Don Julio sticker.
How cute are these stickers of them? That is so pretty.
On my phone.
Oh, I love that. I had to get my hands on the Friendcation palette. It looks so dang good. And then I had to do a little secret something. So she has no idea. Her birthday's in a couple days. So,
wait, what did you do?
I got you a birthday present.
No, you didn't. No, you
Yes,
didn't. No, you didn't. Shut up.
Yes, I
she
did.
just said she forgot my birthday. Did you? You didn't forget? I thought you said you forgot. Oh my god.
I know. I'm a good friend.
She was like, I'm coming down this weekend and we're going out with somebody. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, on my birthday? She's like, oh, it's your birthday?
Oh, it's your birthday? I totally forgot about your birthday.
No way.
So, Karelia has been wanting the Fuego highlighter since last collaboration.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
So if you want to tear into it, we'll show them the Fuego first. So since the first collaboration, they had this highlighter.
And I felt guilty buying anything because I was pregnant the first time around. So I just felt guilty buying everything. And I didn't even, at the end, I didn't even get anything from it. So I felt crappy.
So I knew I had to get it this time around. There's the beauty. There's the beauty of Fuego.
This packaging's so pretty. Feel it.
That is really nice packaging.
Oh, there's glitter coming out.
I'm pretty sure this is the same kind of packaging they had for the first one, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, that is beautiful.
There you go.
Oh my gosh,
Do you see that?
Binding.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dead.
Deceased.
I'm done. I'm done.
Which, how pretty is the packaging as well? It's this beautiful rose gold packaging, Desi x Katy.
With my oily fingers.
With her oily fingers on it. But that is really pretty packaging, and it says Fuego.
Do you see that? Do you see it?
Ooh, you can see that.
Do you see that? Just a little more.
When they said in the reveal video that Beyonce was wearing this highlighter, I about died for them.
I know.
I was so happy for them.
Do you see that? That is, I didn't even put a lot.
Yeah, that is amazing.
I didn't even swirl in there. It was like a light.
Leaning into the mirror there.
Oh, sorry. I'm just staring at myself.
I mean, we're both huge Desi and Katy fans. We absolutely love them. I think they're awesome women, entrepreneurs, you know, doing their own thing, and congratulations to them for this collaboration. Then we'll move on to the next item. We're doing Friendcation last, and then we're gonna go into putting that on. All right, so you get a choice of the most and over top.
Oh.
You got, I picked up 2 glosses. Here's the packaging of these. And here is what the packaging looks like. Man, it looks so beautiful on the inside. The most is on top, which is their newest gloss, and over the top is on the bottom. It is their original formula from the collaboration they did the first time around that everybody was requesting for them to bring back. And then so you guys can get an idea, I swatched both of them on our hands. The most is on top, over the top is on the bottom. Oh, so beautiful.
The most has like pink reflex on it.
Yeah, the most is pink reflect, over the top is completely gold. Both so beautiful. Also, these lip glosses smell really good. They smell like vanilla. They do look very pigmented as well. So let's pop on some gloss and then we'll get on to the palette.
Oh my god.
Absolutely love this. This is a really pretty gloss. Okay, so here is what mine looks like, and then there is what hers look like. Then we have the Friendcation palette. So here she is in all her glory, the Friendcation palette. Once more, it is the same kind of design to the outer packaging or the outer carton. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. Ooh. I just have to look at it. I have to sneak a peek at the monitor. That is beautiful. So the Friendcation palette is $55, but you do receive 10 eyeshadows, 5 in which are shimmers, 5 are mattes, so there is a good little mix in here. I think where we have to start with this palette is doing some swatches, and I want to swatch it on both of us so you guys could get a feel for it with the different skin tones. So I'm going to swatch it all out on both of us, and I will show you in 2 seconds. And here we have it, swatches of them both. So from left to right, we have Basic, Chains, Necessary, Dirty Money, A Moment, Try Me, Just a Kiss, Girl Bye, Churro, Game Over. These look freaking incredible. The mattes felt very creamy and the shimmeries, they just glided on. They are so pigmented. I'm really excited to try and see how they look on the lid. You can see definitely a difference between the swatches of the two of us. Some of them pop on me and some of them more muted on Karelia. So it's gonna be exciting to see how they look on the lids for both of us. What I do really enjoy also is the fact that they are cruelty-free. They say gluten-free as well and paraben-free, so a good little combination for their stuff. So I think what we need to do now is just start playing with some eyeshadow, start applying it, see how it blends, see how it works on the eyes. So we're both gonna do our own look, and let's just go ahead and jump into it. So I'm gonna be taking the shade Basic, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. Set my eyes.
Don't mind if I use my new mirror here.
So Basic for me actually has a little bit of a tint. Usually most like soft basic shades are a little bit too light for me, but this actually has a really nice pigment on my lid. I think probably for you, if you were to use it, it'd be a little bit more, just be like an all over lid setting color. I'm now gonna take my Morphe Y16 brush and use that as the all over the transition. What are you taking?
I'm still on Necessary on the other eye.
So I'm kind of guiding Karelia how to do her eye look today because I'm trying to get her to use A Moment because I think that shade would look beautiful on her and she never wears blue, so today's the day.
I told her the last time I used blue I was like 13 and didn't know how to use makeup.
Yeah, well that's why she is completely scarred for life because she was 13. I really want to use Dirty Money because I think that color looks really beautiful. Now I'm taking my Morphe Y5 brush and I'm taking, what shade is that? I'm going to put this on the outer V area. Just start working it a little bit below where I put Chains into the transition and the crease.
I'm using Try Me as a transition, right?
Yeah, a little bit of the transition and outer V.
Crease. I'm just taking it everywhere.
Yeah, she's going all over. She's going for a bold look today.
Yeah, we'll just see where it takes me.
My bad, you guys. We were in the middle of this, and then I looked at it, and I was like, wait a minute. I was reading from the back of the carton with the names, but the names are somehow switched from the order they had there. So before I was saying I was using Basic, which was right, but then we went in with Necessary. It wasn't Chains. I think we're using Churro right now, right?
Yeah, we
Okay,
are.
so we're using Churro right now. I will make sure that when I'm going through and editing, I had put a little asterisk so you know what I was using. The packaging was just throwing me for a loop there.
See, she had me going crazy thinking I was using different shades. Okay, so now I'm gonna take...
Yeah, double check with the back.
Now Chains. Now for sure I'm taking that one.
Which actually I'm gonna be taking that shade as well. Man, but Churro was freaking pigmented.
All these are really pigmented.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm taking this darker brown shade in there, and I was thinking like, wait, was I accidentally using it? No, I wasn't, because the other one was just so
I was
dark.
thinking, yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was like, did I take that on accident? But
yeah,
they're just really pigmented.
They are. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm not really having any fallout
Same.
issues.
I was just gonna say that. I was like, legit, nothing has fallen under.
And sometimes with these really dark shades, you're like have fallout city underneath your eyes, and you're like, oh gosh, why did I do my face makeup first?
I know. I was thinking that. I was thinking the same thing. Like,
yeah.
I did my foundation. I'm gonna have fallout, but nope.
Nope. Still looking good.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this so far.
And it's really easy to blend too. Like,
it is.
It's not patchy or anything.
It's just going on so smooth. I had really high hopes for this palette, and I am so impressed.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're both kind of caught up to speed where we need the all over the lid shade, so she's a little unsure about that part, so I'm gonna help her out here. I'm gonna take a moment.
Okay, so we were unsure because the last collaboration they had like special instructions for the palette, like you have to wet it and all that, so we weren't sure if I should do a cut crease, just pack it on, spray it.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to just pack it on. I'm gonna use my MAC 248. This is my holy grail brush. I'm not even gonna wet it yet. I'm just gonna try to see how it applies. Try to pack that on. Woo! I think I am gonna try to put a little bit of setting spray. Just give a little spritz. Whoa, yes. Oh, much more amplified. I felt like you guys needed a little bit of a close-up for this moment, so I'm just gonna keep applying a moment. The way I was sitting, it just was not working. The only thing, I'm seeing a little bit of fallout flaking from this one, but not too bad, just a couple raining down. Taking a little bit of Cheens, just kind of patting out these edges. But man, look at this beautiful girl right here.
I don't mind
She is feeling herself right now.
I don't mind it.
It's like, hey. All you need is that inner corner highlight, a little brow bone highlight, and you are done. I need to catch up now.
I really don't mind it.
Do mine. I told her all she needed to do was
it is a really pretty color. I didn't say I didn't like blue. I don't experiment with colors. So I love them. Yeah. So if I see a crazy color, I'm like, you need to try this. I always tell her. I was like, you need to do this.
So I'm gonna take Dirty Money. Let's try this out. So Dirty Money actually has a lot of kind of gold reflect in it. And it gets so much more foiled if you just add a little bit of setting spray. You can make it work on its own, but I feel like with any kind of shimmery shade, I always add setting spray because it gives that extra little pop it needs. But really though, I did not need to cut the crease. I was about to do it and then she reminded me, and this goes on so pigmented that you really don't have to.
Yeah, you really don't need it. It's insane. A casual Sunday glam.
Yeah, this is our casual Sunday right here. Yesterday when we were out, we had recorded the Chatty Get Ready With Us yesterday, which actually just went live. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but I'll put a little eye in case you wanna watch that. But we had done that on Saturday, and when we were out, we had done some kind of dramatic makeup, and she's like, oh, where are you guys going? Is there an event that is happening? And we're like, no, this is just a casual girls' day. We tend to go a little bit extra when we're together.
But it was funny because she's like, oh, what's the occasion? You guys are dressed up. No reason.
Nothing. Dude, look at this. That is beautiful. I keep looking at the freaking blue. Jeez. Oh, I am swooning over these shimmery shades. So gorgeous.
Desi and Katy didn't come to play.
They didn't. Just gonna pat out these edges a little bit, make sure everything blends. Oh yeah, with Dirty Money, I had a little bit of fallout.
A little bit.
With these shimmery shades, that's just something to be aware of. I want to take this shade, Just a Kiss, which this one they say is supposed to be more of a topper shade. It has that kind of sheer
coat.
It's very glittery. I'm gonna pop that in a corner.
I'm gonna do the same.
Gonna do it? Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna take it all the way.
Just popped on the lashes. I think we'll both kind of reapply a little bit more gloss. It's still on, but
yeah,
I want a little bit more vibrancy.
Well, I've been drinking my coffee.
Yeah, we've had a cup of coffee here, so just know you may need to reapply it. It's kind of standard with glosses though. They're not exactly gonna last a cup of coffee. But, I mean, it's still a little bit shimmery there. Woo! Love it.
Stitching to myself.
Yeah, she has been just like...
The one that doesn't do crazy colors. See
this palette, no regrets on it. I think it was so pigmented, blendable, really easy to work with. The shadow quality is just so amazing. Desi and Katy, they did the thing. It is so good. I love this palette. I'm going to be using this so much during the fall time. I think this is a perfect kind of color scheme. There is a lot in which you can actually do with a palette. And then Fuego highlighter is blinding.
Insane. Like,
there is a reason that is their OG and everybody is all over it because it looks amazing. And
I'm gonna definitely be using that all the time.
Yeah,
all the time.
The highlighter, I didn't mention it earlier, highlighter is $28 and then the glosses were $17 a piece. I personally really enjoy it. If you are a gloss person, I think they're really good.
Me.
I think they were really beautiful to just pop on and top on. I can't help it. I just love this collection.
I know, your eye looks so good.
Thank you.
So good. That eye.
Your eye makeup looks amazing.
It's insane.
Ugh, in awe.
Yeah.
Just that's all I can say. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed having Karelia in this review. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.